Hello, fitness students. Good morning. This is the plan for 528 and 529. I want to just say right away that you will be zooming in at the end of this class. So make sure that you get this work done. It'll take you no more than 30 minutes. Then you have a 15-minute break, and then you'll be zooming in at your designated time. So make sure that you're aware of that. Here is the plan for today. You're going to be creating a summer wellness tracker. And I know some of you might be like, okay, Coach Ferry, we're over the schedules and the trackers, but I think you're really going to have fun, and this is going to be totally customizable. And this is what you're doing for the bulk of class today. So the purpose here is to create a summer wellness tracker that facilitates your summer vibes and keeps you on target for balancing health and wellness. So a while back, we talked about sort of what is the purpose of summer? What are things you want to get out of it? A lot of you talked about trying new things, wanting to have time to relax. So your tracker can totally capture that vibe. It does not need to be a structured day-to-day schedule, but it can be if that's something that you think you'd like to do. So what we're going to do, you're going to design a wellness tracker that meets your needs and wishes. Everyone must do this. You're going to customize and personalize the tracker so you're keeping visible the things that are important to you. I want you to think back to last assignment. You selected 3 words that you wanted to describe the way your summer went. Keep those in mind when you're customizing and personalizing this tracker. Lastly, you're going to take a photo or a screenshot of it, and you're going to add it into those slides that you created last class, okay? So going back here to the first point, must do, I have some inspiration slides for you along with some links that are going to help you to create your tracker. Now, what's important is that you don't just copy one exactly. You have to customize and personalize it to how you want to do. So these 2 things, you must do them. You must take a screenshot of it. Consider maybe drawing, adding images, really sort of designing it to fit your aesthetic. And consider also printing it out and hanging it up and not just leaving it digital. These are things that you don't have to do, but I'm recommending if you really want to see some success with this tracker that you should do. So you see here on slides 3, 4, 5, and 6 that I have some examples of different trackers. You can also do your own search. You might already have a tracker that you want, but it needs to be customized for summer. So I really liked this self-care check-in. I liked this list. It was one of the ones that stood out to me the most, and I created an example for you. I created this in on a website called Piktochart, which I think has some free elements to it. Canva's also free, and I customized this. I designed it myself, and I added all of these items. These are some of the things I want to accomplish in June. You can read through them. There's other things I want to do too, but these were things that were a bit of a stretch for me. And when I thought back to that wellness wheel, and I thought back to mindfulness, social interaction, mental health, physical activity, and nutrition, I encapsulated a lot of those items into this list. And it's just a checklist. I might do them. I'm hoping to do them by June. There's no exact time frame or day of the week I have to do it. If you're someone who's looking for a little bit more structure, these 2 options are great. These go more day by day. This is a habit tracker where you can fill in all your different habits, and then you can check off the days that you did them. These are more of like daily type of things if you're someone who's looking maybe to do something every day, or maybe you want to just do a self-care check-in every Sunday or every Saturday at the end of your week. So take time to think about what tracker is going to suit you the most, what's going to be best for you, design it to fit your needs, and then you're going to take a photo of it. So I made this slide, and I also took a picture. I hung it up on my bulletin board. And then you're going to copy it into your lifestyle plan. So right now your lifestyle plan has this slide with your name, it has your quote and your picture, it has your 3 words, and now it will have your wellness tracker. I'm going to throw one last thing at you. I want you to copy this slide. It's part of our presentation today. This is a compilation of some of the workouts and breathing exercises we've done, and I think it would complement your wellness lifestyle summer plan really well because it'll give you access to workouts and activities that you can do over the summer. So you're going to also copy this Let's Get Moving slide into your presentation. So I'm going to have this example up for you on our page. You can look through it so you know exactly what's due. And then section 7.1, you're going to be zooming in today at 11:45. And so I'll see you then. Section 7.4 and 7.2, check this document for Friday for when it is time to zoom in and the links to do that, okay? We're finishing up the year. We're going to discuss what next week will look like. I'm really excited to be wrapping up with you all, and I hope you enjoy today's Design Wellness Tracker.